I'm back from photo booth. And I'm bald. Hello. I again forgot to film an intro and an outro, so hello. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's so nice to meet you. My name is Liz. If you would like to become a part of our internet family, I would love to have you here, and everyone else would love to have you here as well, so make sure to hit the subscribe button below. This isn't a normal thing. I've had to do this, I think, once or twice now. I am currently bulk filming and bulk editing because I'm going home for Christmas. So I've noticed there's been intro outros that I forgot to film, but here I am. This is what photo booth is for. Thanks, photo booth. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and let's get into these hairstyles. What's up? Don't mind Ellie's little head right there. She'll probably be right when I turn it on. Alrighty, you guys, so we're doing some twisting turns. Had a little bit of coffee today, and I'm still wearing the shirt that I slept in. I don't care. With little twisty hairstyles, we're gonna start off simple, okay? We're just gonna twist back like this. Ready? Twisty turns, twisty turns. We're gonna start off simple because you have to start off simple. We have to get the basics down, all right? Good little thing. Oh my gosh, when I was a kid, literally in like 3rd grade, I would do twists back like this with my bangs. I would do twists back like this with my bangs, right? And I had these freaking blue fuzzy cheetah print clips. Oh my gosh, I should find a picture of it when I go home. And that's how I grew out my bangs. I was 8 years old, hair connoisseur. Start off with this, got a little twist. I also did this in high school. I can picture myself with my stupid blue cardigan and my little belt around my waist with my little butt peeking out of my leggings and my little boots like, like feather earrings. Ew. Ellie, move, you're in the back of my frame. I need you to move, I had to take a thumbnail. She's like eating her hair off the ground. Go! Okay, we'll just go like this. Alright, you guys, for this next one, we're gonna grab again, we're gonna twist down, but you're gonna kind of twist against your scalp, like right in the front. And we're gonna grab this hair. We're gonna pull it together right here. Ooh, ooh, doo 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 doo. This is a good way to pull back any baby hairs if you're baby hair central like I am. Oh my gosh. I feel bad for like my future daughter. She's going to have the most baby hairs on the face of the earth. Sorry. You know, technically, Ellie is just covered in baby hairs if you think about it. She's had the same hair her whole life, you know? Was that the dumbest thing I've ever said? Possibly. I've never done piggies like this before. Ready? And I tie it off, woo, with my clear elastics. Because I live by these things, subsis. There we go. Okay, ready? Numero dos. Hello. Now, we have a couple options with these. We could do rope braids with this, which is when you twist, and you twist them away from each other. Ready? Away. Cross them. Like this. Wrap them around each other. Do 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 do. Every time I do different hairstyles like this, it just reminds me of like a little girl. Like this is what she should do to her hair before she goes to school in the morning. I'm just saying. Okay. Again. Oh! Why do I always do that with this earring every time? Twist them together. Yes, yes. Look at Ellie living her life. Sorry guys, this is just a part of my life and we keep it real on this channel. There we go! Cutie Von, cutie pants. Oh my gosh, ready? Boom, boom, boom. Now we're gonna twist these around themselves, woo, into a bun. I'm just gonna take a bobby pin. I'm gonna pin it through to hold it in place. Oh my gosh, I'm like Princess Leia or whatever her name is. What movie is that from? I haven't seen it. Don't come for me. I know. Is it Star Wars? I don't know. Ready? Ah, doo-doo, doo-doo. Next, we're going to do one that goes back like this. Do the twisties back. Ready? I've done a whole video on like the 3 twists back like this, the 90s twists I call them. Know that that's a thing. I'm gonna hold this here. We're gonna do it on this side. Oh my god. Do it on this side too, okay? Then I'm gonna try to pull them together. Woo! Okay. Rub this. Rub it around. We're gonna do one of those little buns. Like that. Do you see what I'm saying? Pull it down. Boom! That one's kind of big. So you could leave it like this, okay? Or you can pull that out and just do like a cute little. Oh, this is so cute. I want to leave my hair like this all day. We're gonna do a different part. Ready? We're gonna kind of pull to the side. Part to the side, I mean. Like this. There you go. And make it kind of slanted like this. Okay, ready? What we're gonna do is, okay, ready? Oh yeah! Here we go. 1. I'm hitting these with some bobby pins. 2. 3. Take this 3rd one, pin it back. I'm doing this with bobby pins because this is where you could do like a really cute, like glam sort of like barrette or fancier bobby pin. So I just kind of want to show you that. Boom! I've seen, oh my gosh, I don't know what the brand is that's doing them right now, but you see them on Instagram. I've seen them on so many different blogger stories, and they look like they're crystals, and they say glam or drippin', or I think one said feelings or something. They're so pretty. I've seen so many girls wearing them. They have like just a side pulled back. I don't know if they've done the twist, but like a cute little barrette right here. So cute. My sister used to have her head shaved like this right here. I feel like her right now. Come on, sis. Did you like this video? I hope you did. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I wish these little hearts were always coming out of my head like this. Hello, hello. I'm so bald today. Hi, no makeup day for me. I am staying fresh until I do my self-tan. New nails right before Christmas. I'm ready to look fresh and good. You know what I mean? Anyways, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what type of hairstyle videos you would like to see for the new year. I have a pretty good idea of where I want to take my hair videos, but of course I want to hear from you. Do you want to continue to see the multiple styles videos? I don't know if you guys are still loving those as much anymore. So if you're not and you want something else, let me know. I'm not offended. I want to know what you guys want to see, just like I feel like I'm in the mood of like switching things up and changing things so they grow with me, so I'm not making the same thing all the time. Does that make sense? I hope it does. Yeah. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. I can't believe, literally, you guys, this year is almost over. I have an end of the year video coming for you very, very soon. And yes, I think that's all I have to say. Yep. I love you guys so much. It's so easy to just keep talking here in a photo booth because I feel like this is so raw and real. I'm like, hello, I feel like I'm on Snapchat or something. And I'm just like, how are you? What's going on? Anyways, I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. I did the same thing as last time where I thought I could just like click in. It doesn't end. Okay. One day I'll learn.